Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Fauzan Nugraha. I'm here to describe about my reason why I chose business administration as my major and my experience as freshman in Telkom University. The first one is the reason why I chose business administration as my major. The first time I saw the name administration, I thought the major was specializing on paperwork. But after a few weeks, I understand that it is actually about administrating business or organization. So I am glad that it is about administration business. From the start, I was thinking to get the MBTI major because I have computer skills and also a little programming skill. But to think that I only qualified to get into administration business, that was a little bit frustrating. But after I realized that I could also use this as an opportunity to make me more suitable as an owner of business, I would not let this opportunity to go. The second one is my experience as a freshman in Telkom University. I got a little bit shock culture. I was shocked that why people do this and why people do that and why people could think about that. So then I got into PKKMB. The first time again, I got so many tasks, and especially when I made a TikTok video, that's the time that I feel so scared when I watch myself, especially the video that I made. After I got so many tasks from college and external organization, since morning and until midnight, my time is full of activities and tasks. I hope that I could spare my time to study from video on LMS or read more books and many things, but there was also laziness. So I also hope that I could resist the laziness in myself. That's all from from myself. We can continue on the next person on Harisha. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you Fauzan for the first question is why I chose business administration major. It's because I really wanted to join an economy business major since high school, but at 10th grade, my dream is being an accountant. At 12th grade, I have two plans either to choose to be join accounting major or business administration major. But unfortunately, I failed to go to the university that I wanted. And in my opinion, my dream job is to be a businessman, and this is major is really suitable with my dream job. In my perspective, economy major isn't a specific major that a businessman needed, or maybe management major also not the best option for a businessman. And the second question is my experience in the first week. Well, I don't really have any expectations, but I have target to achieve such as high grade point average or something else like that. In the first, it's an indirect obligation to introduce yourself to such a new environment. In the first week, I got a few new friends. As all we know, the activity is in the first week isn't really flashy. Even though it wasn't really that flashy, I still have a kind of shock with the tasks that all the lecture gave. Also, we have student orientation for a full week with fun and cool activities. Even though it drains energy to sit a whole day in front of laptop, but it's still fun and refreshing for for a freshman maybe. And that's all I got. And thank you. Thanks. The next person is RB.
Okay, thank you. So the first question is why I choose this business administration major. At first, I chose this major because it was just a random choice. When my parents found out about it, they said it was a really good course, so I'm glad they did. My parents also strongly agreed that I enter this department because my grandfather gave a mandate that his grandson would become the leader of a company. The second question is my 3 weeks study in pandemic. First, we as new students must participate in PKKMB activities. A little fun because the host is interesting. Then we had our first meeting with the teacher's guardian. The first week of online learning still feels light because it only contains introductions and a little delivery of material from each course. My heart skipped a bit before the first class started because it was my first class in college. In the second week, we had entered the learning materials and start receiving lots of assignments and quiz. I was a little surprised because the assignments given were many and the deadlines given were only short. I have more friends and we often do homework together. By the third week, I had started to get used to it all and went straight to the task given, even though the deadline was still long. That's all about our reasons. We hope that we can make our reason to improve our abilities more. Thank you.